So now what are like AI agents? So basically they represent the next frontier. Basically they combine the power of LLMs with enhanced capabilities like persistent memory, ability to use external tools, and the degree of autonomy. In simple words, let's say LLM is your brain, then AI agents are nothing but your hands, which can act. Basically, LLM is giving you give text. It provides you the text as output, right? It is not acting on them, or it is not doing any action based on the output, right? But with agents, what you can do is like you can provide a text input, it can perform the action, and it can produce the output. So that is how it is. So basically, like I said, LLM is your brain, then AI agents are nothing but your hands, and autonomy is nothing but decision making, because it has brain and hands. That's why it can make decisions and act upon it, right? So this is like a simple explanation for like how LLMs and AI agents work together, and still like LLMs are important because it is acting as the brain. So how AI agent works in real world? You can have like Microsoft 365 like a Copilot. It also work as a AI agent. Then also you must have heard about like GitHub Copilot. So that is also one of the real world example for that. Then like the what are the advantages? Basically the persistent memory, it can track conversation history, which was not possible with the existing only LLMs, right? Then greater autonomy, it can break down complex tasks into subtasks, execute them, and self correct. That is like advantage. Then tool integration, you can access real time data, APIs, external system for complex tasks, right? And enhance collaboration seamlessly. It can work alongside humans and even other specialized AI agents. It can collaborate, like multi agents can also be possible in the real time, right? And like it needs, right, like it needs to like connect to some tools, right? Otherwise it won't be able to like access the or access the knowledge or act upon it, right? So for that the MCP comes into the picture, which allows basically these AI agents to use and connect to different tools. So MCP is nothing but model context protocol. So we are going to like further have sessions over it, just to understand how what it is and how it works. So that is also one of the most important part. So similar way we saw in LLM, like if you have like a customer service automation using LLM, so it can give like responses based upon FAQs and whatever it understands from the customer query, but still there was a supervision needed by a human basically to understand more complex issues and all that. But here with AI agents, what you can do is like imagine like a fully automatic customer service agent. It can directly diagnose the product issues, whatever images or video submitted by the like the customer, and it can detect if it is a fraudulent thing, or whether like you should give that refund or maybe replace that product based on the inputs provided by the customer. It can also like directly go check the warranty status. It can also basically tag the previous conversation, whatever history that customer has with your company. So these kind of things can be done. And like it can also intelligently escalate to a human expert in some cases where the human intervention is required based on upon some rules and regulations you have like set for that particular agent. So it is like a big use case, right? With LLMs you can generate text input, text output. With agentic AI you can have actions in between. So right, LLMs revolutionize the language understanding, but possess inherent limitations in action and memory, whereas AI agents building on LLMs are designed to act autonomously, interact with the real world through tools and remember context. So that is how it is. So in the next lecture what we'll try to understand is MCP.